There's a big shift happening right now with how people interact with AI. It's no longer just about asking questions or generating content. It's about building systems that actually do things for you. And that's where platforms like Zenfox AI come in. If you've ever felt like you're constantly switching between tools, one for writing, one for research, one for organizing tasks, another for automating workflows, you're not alone. Most people are piecing together their productivity stack manually, and it ends up being fragmented, inefficient, and honestly, a bit overwhelming. Zenfox AI is trying to solve that by bringing everything into one place, but more importantly, by shifting the focus from individual tools to intelligent systems that can actually execute tasks for you. Instead of thinking in terms of what tool do I use for this, the idea becomes, how do I get this done with minimal effort? Now, at its core, Zenfox is designed around AI-powered agents and automation. Basically, these aren't just single prompts or one-off outputs. The platform is built to help you create workflows that can handle multi-step processes, things like research, content creation, planning, or even repetitive daily tasks, without needing constant input. So rather than writing something manually every time, you can set up a system that understands your intent and carries it through from start to finish. Now, one of the interesting things about Zenfox is how it simplifies that entire experience. You don't need to be technical or understand complex automation tools. The platform is built in such a way where you can describe what you want and the AI helps structure the entire process for you. That's a big deal because, as we all know, traditionally, automation has always had a barrier to entry. You either needed to learn specific tools or spend time setting everything up manually. Zenfox removes a lot of that friction by making automation feel more like a conversation than a configuration process. Now, another aspect worth mentioning definitely here is how it brings different capabilities together. Instead of jumping between multiple apps, Zenfox combines things like content generation, task execution, and workflow management into a more unified system. That alone can save a lot of time, especially if you're someone juggling multiple projects or responsibilities. Now, from a tactical standpoint, this can be so useful for creators, entrepreneurs, or anyone dealing with repetitive tasks. Whether it's generating ideas, structuring content, organizing information, or automating small processes, the goal is to reduce the amount of manual effort required. But it's also important to look at this from a bigger picture perspective. Let me explain. AI tools are evolving from assistants into operators, and instead of just helping you think, they're starting to help you act. And platforms like Zenfox sit right in that transition, moving from generate this to handle this. That doesn't mean everything becomes automatic or perfect, obviously, but it does mean that the way we approach work is changing. Less time on repetitive tasks and steps, and more time on decisions and directions. Now, what makes Zenfox interesting is that it's not trying to be another AI chatbot. It's positioning itself as a system for execution, a place where tasks can actually move forward and not just be discussed. If you've ever been or have been exploring AI tools but feel like you're still doing too much manual work, this is definitely the type of platform that's worth looking into. You can check it out directly at zenfox.ai and see how it fits into your workflow. It's going to be linked in the description down below. Keep in mind, at the end of the day, the question isn't what AI can create for you anymore. It's what it can actually do for you. Having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to go check these guys out. Comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions regarding this project, and I'll see you all in the next video.